they have a lot of energy in them. And I'd like to move my feet, but I can't move my feet if my feet are like trying to take care of my driving. So with my ability to do that with my car, I can actually wiggle my feet more often. So, you know, that's something to be happy about, and I choose to be happy about something, you know, very simple, very little, but that's how you live life sometimes, and the little things kind of make you happy every now and then. Maybe they just make you feel like, I've cheated the world. That's kind of how I feel. Anyways, yeah, I hope you guys liked the vlog for today, or what I did post. Yeah, that's kind of just what I did today, and then I am going to be going to a doula meeting tonight. Yay! And doing homework, and, you know, just keep on going with, like, things that need to get done so that I'm on top of it and I'll feel good. And yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!